Okay, so that was a very short and sweet rhymes we saw. So anyway, now before I go into more details on Vanta Black, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Anandu.
Anandu, welcome to Kidder Kids.
Thanks.
Anandu, how are you?
Fine.
Which grade are you in, Anandu?
Fifth.
Fifth grade.
Yeah.
And which school do you go to?
Ryan Private School.
Ryan Private School, okay. So where are you calling from right now?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, okay. So you know what you have a lot of subjects in your school to learn, right?
Yeah.
Like English, math, science, a lot of subjects.
Yeah.
So which is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Maths. Why?
I like maths.
You like maths because you like the learning about maths like that, or because you like the teacher? She teaches very nicely.
I like the teacher.
Okay, you like the teacher. She teaches very nicely.
Yeah.
You understand. Before maybe you didn't understand a bit, but now you understand clearly.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, so maths is your favorite subject, and what are your hobbies, Anandu?
My hobby is playing football.
Playing football. Everyone loves to play football.
Yeah. Reading.
Reading. What books do you read then?
Wimpy Kid.
Wimpy Kid. Only Wimpy Kid you read?
No, many other.
Your favorite is Wimpy Kid.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you're waiting for the the latest edition and all.
Yeah.
So you have read all the books of the Diary of the Wimpy Kid?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So you're a big fan of Wimpy Kid.
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, Anandu. So that are your hobbies. You like to play football. You like to read. So do you go for any extracurricular activities like maybe singing, dancing, swimming, anything?
No.
Okay. You you like staying in the house. You like doing maybe you like reading like that.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. So now let's go for a game, Anandu.
Okay.
Okay. Which game do you want to play?
The riddles.
Riddles. But our riddles is over. We have GK questions. Many games like that. GK questions, sentence game, spelling. Then dictionary game.
Free sentence.
Making sentence game.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to play sentence making. So make 2 sentences out of the word doctor.
Doctor. Doctor treats patients.
Doctor treats the patients.
Doctor prefers medicines for other patients.
The doctor
Prefers.
suggests.
Yeah.
Yeah, suggests
Medicine.
medicines. You can say the doctor prescribes like that.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. 2 sentences. You tried your level best, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so anyway, Anandu, you will call tomorrow also?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Anandu who called us. And anyway, we are talking about Vanta Black and its uses. It's used in many telescopes. Now there are many other uses also coming up. Before that, let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Honey.
I didn't hear your name.
Yeah. Honey.
Haneen.
Yeah.
Okay, which grade are you in, Honey?
I'm in 8th.
You're in 8th grade. Which school do you go to?
What?
Which school do you go to?
NIMS.
NIMS. Okay, that's okay. So, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing Sudoku in my phone and playing Candy Crush in FB.
Okay, that's the first time. Now I've never heard anybody saying their hobbies are to play Sudoku. So are you really good in Sudoku?
No.
No, okay. You frankly said the truth. I'm not very good in Sudoku. But you want to be better. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? So could you reduce the volume of the TV?
Yeah, okay, sir. Please reduce it. Yes, you are.
Okay. So anyway, Hanan, now you told me that, so most of the things you like to do is play video games with your phone.
Video game. I play Mario, then I play car games.
Car games, Mario, things like that. So you don't do anything, like maybe sports, nothing like that?
First, I used to I used to skip in the morning, 6 o'clock.
You skip in the morning.
Yes.
Okay, so you like, skipping. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a game now.
Sorry.
Hello?
What did you say?
Now let's go for a game.
Yeah. I play game, you play game.
Okay, so which game do you want to play?
I like to play Mario.
Mario, no, but we have many games here right now. We have, GK questions, sentence making, spelling game, like that. Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. Anyway, next time try to call, try to stay more attentive, and try to hear, listen to the phone than the TV, because maybe you just you can reduce the volume of the TV. You can go to the another room, things like that. Okay, so now we were talking about Vantablack. So now Vantablack is actually the darkest substance ever found, not found, made, things like that. And also it can only be made at a very high Celsius, at 400 degrees Celsius. So they need to make it not too high, not too low. Even NASA had actually tried to make a substance, but they made it at 750 degrees Celsius, and this is actually the darkest substance cannot be formed at that time. So they actually, and this Vantablack cannot has to be grown, actually. It has to be grown on materials that cannot withstand high temperatures. It can't be put on things that can withstand high temperatures. It can only be put on things that cannot withstand high temperatures. So this is one specialty of this material, Vantablack. And another use of Vantablack is that it is also it is applied in heat, as heat in materials, used in concentrated solar powered technology. Even in solar panels, solar powered cookers, solar powered calculators, all these solar powered things, also they put this material, dark substances, so they get more heat. It can apply heat to these materials, and also as well as many military applications, such as thermal camouflage. So we all know camouflage, and it helps in the military also to hide away from their opponent army, so things like that. So this helps more in thermal camouflage. That is actually camouflaging, we all know. It's getting the same color or shape or size of our backgrounds, and trying to adjust with that, things like that, so we can hide from our predators. So this is actually just like that, the thermal camouflage. And the emissivity of Vantablack and scalability support a wide range of applications. So the use of this Vantablack can be used in a wide range of applications, many electronic applications, many things like that. So this is our topic, Vantablack. So, and also now 2014 productions, if you see, it can be scaled up to many people are trying to order this, buy this, and most of the orders are actually delivered to. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Anita.
Anita. So, Anita, which grade are you in? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, which grade are you in, Anita?
Huh?
Which grade are you in?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Okay. So, what are your hobbies, Anita?
Badminton.
Badminton. Okay. So, do you have any sisters or brothers like that?
I have both sister and a brother.
You have a sister and a brother. Okay. What's your sister's name and which grade is she?
My sister's name is Arjun. She's 8.
What about your brother?
He is Aaron. And he's 1 year old.
Okay, he's only 1 year old.
He's just 1 year old.
Okay, very small brother. So you take care of your brother and all, right?
Yes.
Very good. So now you have an elder sister and you have a small brother.
Yes.
Okay. So now you told me that your hobbies are actually to play badminton, right?
Yes.
So who do you play badminton with? In your school, with your friends, or with your sister?
Not that. I'm going for training.
You go for training.
Yes.
Okay, so you go for badminton coaching. That's really nice.
Yeah, thank you.
So maybe I don't know. Maybe you have participated in any competitions, things like that.
I do the singing.
Okay, not yet, but soon enough you will be participating, right?
Yes.
Good.
I'm
Okay.
already participating.
Okay, so you already participated.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, so Anita, now let's go for a game.
Okay.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, so actually the first time you're calling, right? So when one person actually takes that game, the next person has to pick another game. Okay, so next time you call, you can check that. So now let's play Atlas, or you want to play another game?
I think I know.
Okay, I have GK questions. I have spelling game. I have memory game. I have many games.
Can take memory.
Memory game. Do you know how to play memory game?
I forgot it.
Okay, so how do you play memory game is actually, now you if you start, then you have to tell the name of a fruit,
Okay.
and then I will like suppose you said orange, then I have to say orange and I have to tell another fruit that my wish. So suppose I'll say orange apple, and then you have to say orange apple and your fruit. So the objective of the game is you should always get it right. You should not get it wrong. The order of the fruits you say must be right. Okay. So I hope you understood. So you start.
Apple.
Apple, orange.
Mango. Apple. Orange mango.
Apple, orange, mango, banana.
Apple, orange, mango, papaya. Banana, papaya.
Apple, orange, mango, banana, papaya. Papaya and kiwi.
Apple, orange, mango, banana, papaya, kiwi.
Watermelon. Okay. I am starting to forget actually. Okay. Apple, orange, mango, banana, papaya, kiwi, watermelon, and then sweet melon.
Apple, Mango, banana, papaya, green, watermelon,
Watermelon,
sweet melon,
sweet melon, then
and grapes.
grapes. Okay, so it is a very nice game, right?
Yes.
So I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I also enjoyed it.
Okay, so Anita, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that's Anita who called us, very small girl. She played very nice games with us. Okay, so now let's go for a call. Hello.
Hello, I'm Honey.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Honey. Why did you cut the call? You don't like me?
No, maybe the phone got cut.
Okay, I want to play with you.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
I want to play memory game.
Memory game. Okay.
Yes.
So do you know how to play memory game?
Yeah, I know what you say.
Okay. So now you have to tell the name of a fruit, then I'll continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You start.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate, strawberry.
Pomegranate, strawberry, kaidasaka.
Can you say once more?
Kaidasaka, you don't know?
Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. Okay, so anyway, now our topic for today is actually was Vanta Black, and I hope you all got a brief introduction of what is Vanta Black, and like how is it made, what is its uses, things like that. So now you can call and you can play many games with me. You can tell me things that you learned from today, like that. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Gopika.
Gopika. Which grade are you in?
5th.
5th grade. Okay. Which school do you go to?
Huh?
Which school do you go to?
Sharjah Indian School.
Sharjah Indian School. Okay. What are your hobbies?
Reading.
Reading. What type of books do you read?
I read Enid Blyton's book.
Enid Blyton's books. Okay. So what is the latest book you have read?
No, I read Mr. Tweedle Fetches Polly.
Okay. So you read a lot of Enid Blyton's books like that.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's go for a small game.
Okay.
Okay. Which game do you want to play?
Dictionary.
A dictionary game. Okay. So do you have a dictionary with you right now?
Yes.
Okay. So your word is, I'll tell the word.
Yes. Okay.
Your word is stance.
What? I didn't hear it. Correctly.
Stance. S-T-A-N-C-E. S-T.
Ants.
Yeah. S-T-A-N-C-E. Fast.
S.
S-T. 10, 9, 8,
I
7.
didn't got.
You
Not
didn't.
there in my dictionary.
Okay, maybe you didn't find it in your dictionary, but still you tried. So the answer is actually the way in which someone stands.
Okay.
Okay,
But
so
I got another answer.
what is your answer?
Distance between the tips of a man's little finger and thumb.
Okay, so that is maybe different. Maybe you got that wrong. No problem. Next time also you can call and try another game. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for calling. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyway, it's our winding up time, and thank you for everyone's call. Tomorrow, so everyone should call, and I hope you all got a lot of information from our topic today. So anyway, until then, I'm Ellen signing off.